Do you want to stay ahead in the AI race? Then this video is made for you. Are you tired of wasting hours searching for the right tools, the right websites, and the right resources just to learn AI faster? Then stop scrolling, because this video is exactly what you are looking for. I have listed 100 unique and the secret websites from across the internet, the ones that will help you learn AI quickly, work smarter, and get ahead of 99% of the people. This might just be the most useful video you have ever watched. So don't just swipe past, go through every single slide, bookmark this video, share it so that you will never lose it. Because I promise you, if you go through all these slides, if you actually use it, I'm sure it will change your life. Okay, so let's start. 2 billion websites, and you have probably visited the same 4 or 5 entire life. Google, YouTube, Instagram, repeat. But right now, I'm about to hand you the cheat code that most people spend years trying to find on their own. 100 websites and 10 categories, all free and freemium. Stay till the last slide, because the final one might just change the way how you work forever. So the first list is AI tools. So imagine replacing an entire team with just 10 websites. ChatGPT for your thinking, Cloud for deep document work, Perplexity when you want answers with proof, Gamma turns your rough ideas into polished slides in just 60 seconds, and Heygen, it translates your video into any language without you saying a single word. This slide alone is worth bookmarking, isn't it? So next, AI image generation. Now you don't need a designer anymore. You need the right website. Let's say Midjourney. It gives you top tier quality. Ideogram. Ideogram is your go-to when you need text inside your AI images. And if you are on budget, then use Leonardo.ai. It is a powerful free alternative. One of these tools, used once, will change your thinking, how you think about visual content forever. Next, video creation. You don't have studio, you don't have camera crew, no problem. Runway handles AI video editing. Opus.pro chops your long videos into viral shots automatically, and Captions.ai even fixes your eye contacts on your camera. So you now have a full production studio sitting inside your browser. Next, coding and learning to code. Harvard's CS50 course completely free. Free Code Camp completely free. Code Academies interactive lessons completely free. There is literally no excuse left to say I don't know how to code. And if you just want to build things fast, GitHub is your co-pilot who writes the code alongside you. So next one is tools and utilities. So these are actually a quite heroes. Squash compresses your images without killing the image qualities. Web Archives lets you dig up any old version of any website. TempMail, it gives you a throwaway email in one click. No sign up, no spams. These tools won't go viral, but the people who use them saves hours and hours every single week. Next, let's look into the tools for design. Figma is for pro level UI design. Then Unsplash for stunning free stock photos. Colors for beautiful color palettes in seconds. Luca that builds you an AI logo. And if you want to remove a watermark, then watermark remover.io that handles watermark removal instantly. You now have a design agency on your bookmark bar. Okay, so let's see marketing tools. What are the top 10 marketing tools and how you can use it? So Buffer, it schedules all your social posts. Then Ubersuggest cracks open SEO keywords. Answer the Public, that tells you exactly what your audience is searching for. And Taplio, It grows your LinkedIn on autopilot mode with AI generated content. Marketing used to cost thousands and thousands rupees. Now it costs zero. So next one is productivity tools. Let's see what are the tools which we can use to improve our productivity. So Notion is for taking notes. ClickUp, it is for your projects, and Reclaim.ai is actually, it blocks your calendar, so your productive time, your meeting time is not eaten. And AudioPen, now you just speak your ideas out loud and it hands you clean. You will get organized notes. Your most productive day is one tab away. So next one, the next tools are for job and careers. LinkedIn is for networking. Glassdoor is for real salary truth. Levels.fyi is for knowing exactly what your skills are worth worldwide. And JobScan, it optimizes your resume specifically for ATS system, so you stop getting ghosted. So your next job offer starts on this slide. Let's see what are the tools for self-development. So Coursera has courses from Harvard. edX has MIT and Khan Academy. It has everything else for free. Duolingo, it makes learning a new language feel like a game that you actually want to play. And TED, some of the most powerful videos in history, available in just 18 minutes videos. Your university education was expensive. Now your next one doesn't have to be. Let's see the writing tools and content tools. Grammarly, it catches your grammar in real time. Hemingway, this app makes your writing punchy and clear. CoSchedule Headline, it analyzes the scores of your headline before you hit publish. Substack, it lets you build your own audience from scratch. Every word you write from now can be better starting today. So there are hundreds of websites, so you might be confused, but here are the pro tips. Don't try to use all 100 at once. Pick one or two per category and use them consistently. And start with a free plan and try to pair some tools like ChatGPT, Canva and Heygen. It is equal to a complete content machine. Okay, so the truth is, like, the most people will scroll past this and they will say cool list and they will do nothing. But the one who save it, who share it, who test it and actually use it, those are the people who will move faster than everyone else. It was never about the tools. It was about using the right one at the right time. Quick start. Here is the only action plan you need. Pick the category that solves your biggest problem right now. Open the first site on that list, use it once. That's it. One category, one site, one use. That's how you break the scroll and forget cycle and actually start winning. Okay, so the internet is full of noise. As you know, there are thousands and billions of websites, but these 100 websites are the signals. They will save your time, they will sharpen your skill and help you to build things you never thought those are possible. So stop searching, the best tools are already right here. So want the full clickable list? So you want all the 100 websites in one clean clickable document and organized by category and ready to bookmark? Just drop LINK. Just message LINK in the comment right now and I will send you the list. No email required, no catch. Just comment LIST list instantly. I will share you the complete list.